Okay, so for section 4.2, number 39, we're given the limit as n goes to infinity of the sum at I equals 1 of n of 16I over n squared. And it tells us to find the formula for the sum of the nth term and use the formula to find the limit. Okay, and so what we do is we can rewrite this, so this would equal the limit as n goes to infinity. We can take the 16 over n squared out in front and then do the sum. As I equals 1 of n of just I. And we know that I is, okay, so I is n times n plus 1 over 2. Correct? Okay, and so then we can just plug that in, so it'll be the limit as n goes to infinity of 16 over n squared times, this will be n times n plus 1 over 2. And then if we multiply that out, we'll get the limit as n goes to infinity of 16 over n squared times n squared plus n over 2. And so, this will cancel and it'll just end up being 8. And so if we combine this, it'll be the limit as n goes to infinity of 8 times n squared plus n all over n squared. And so we can move the 8 out front, so it's 8, the limit as n goes to infinity. And if, let's say we put n squared over n squared, that's just 1, plus n over n squared, which would just be 1 over n, sorry. And so when we take it to infinity, 1 over infinity is just 0. So it ends up being 8 times 1, which is just 8.